Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. This gorgeous looking sushi is easily made in a short time. You can serve it as a starter and it's even suitable as a party dish. Here are the ingredients for 4 cocktails. 380 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 4 cocktail glasses, 1 sheet of nori, 2 tablespoons of sushi vinegar, 2 teaspoons flying fish caviar or any fish roll, 100 grams of tuna, 100 grams of salmon, they must be sushi grade, 80 grams of cucumber, 2 olives. These are called green perilla in English. We'll also need soy sauce and wasabi. To make sushi rice, add the sushi vinegar to the rice and mix it well. Be careful not to mash the rice. Put equal amounts of rice into the cocktail glasses. Cut the nori sheet into quarters, then cut again, and cut into fine shreds. Finally, chop the olives. Then slice and cut the cucumber lengthways and dice it into small pieces. For the fish, slice and cut the salmon lengthways and dice it into small pieces. Then do the same with the tuna. Now, assemble your cocktail. First, sprinkle the nori seaweed over the rice. Then, mix and spoon the fish and cucumber onto the nori. Garnish with the olives and the fish roll. Sprinkle with a little soy sauce and wasabi if you like it. A cocktail wouldn't be a cocktail without an umbrella. Impress your friends with a cocktail sushi. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.